iNaturalist Canada offers a platform for documenting and logging specific organism interactions at precise times and locations. To get started, register for a free iNaturalist account using your mobile device or computer, ensuring you access the .ca website. To make an observation with your Android, tap the Observe button from the My Observations tab. Add one or more photos, enter what you saw or leave this blank. Save your observation. Check back for activity on your observation from the community. Making an observation with your iPhone is similar. To make an observation from the web, start by clicking on the green Upload button in the upper right menu. Click on the blue Choose Photos button to browse to a folder on your computer containing your photos. You can select multiple photos at a time, or open up the folder on your computer containing the photos you want to add. Click on a single photo or control-click on several photos to select the ones you want to add. Drag and drop the selected photos to anywhere in the gray area of the Inaturalist.ca screen. Each photo will create an observation card that you can edit before submitting. You can also use the Add button in the upper left to create observation cards without photos, or the More Important Options menu to upload a CSV or import from external sites. Type a name for what you saw and choose from one of the choices. If you can't find what you're looking for, leave it blank or use some placeholder text. Use the sidebar to list if the organism you observed was captive or cultivated. Use the calendar to enter when you observe the organism. Type in an address and click Search in order to calculate coordinates and an accuracy circle describing where you were. Then submit your observation. Check back for updates on your observations by the community. Have fun exploring and using iNaturalist.